In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a document to Docusign for signature. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the home page inside apps.docusign.com, and then over here, if you want to sign an agreement yourself, you want to click on sign an agreement over here. And then you simply want to upload it like this, and then of course you want to just upload your document. I'm going to just use this one over here as a sample, and then once you do this, you should put on I'm the only signer in case you are the one that has to sign, or of course if you are not the one that has to sign but you want to send it to somebody else, you want to uncheck that, and then you want to put in their name, their email, and then you can of course add some more recipients in case you want to. So just like this, you have uploaded your document to Docusign and it's ready for signature. All you have to do is then you have to put in your email subject over here, or your email message as well in case you want to do that too. After that, click on next, and then in here you will see there's going to be your document inside Docusign. You want to scroll down to where there's fields for signatures and stuff like that, and you simply have to drag and drop different fields from the left hand menu inside standard fields over here. So for example, where there's the name, you want to look for the name, drag and drop it over here, as well as the date like this, and then usually there's going to be some kind of signature. You want to just go ahead and drag and drop in a signature, and you can even resize it too if you want to. Now, after you've done this, you simply can preview this and then click on send if you are happy with what you're seeing, and then that way you'll successfully send your document to somebody for signature. However, if you are the one that has to sign a document, you want to check this over here, as I said. So I'm going to click delete. There we go. I am the only signer. What this is going to do is it's going to allow you to sign this document. So when you click on the sign button at the bottom right, it's going to start loading in here, and then when it's going to open up the document, you'll be able to then sign it. So there we go, there it is, and in here it's going to require, as you can see in this instance, a name. So you want to put in the name like this, it's going to autofill, and then here you want to put in the date signed, and then the signature as well, like this, and then there we go. After you're done, simply click on finish, and then this will be finished and your document will be signed. You can also send and share your signed document, or just basically don't do it at all and just click no thanks, and your signature will be confirmed just like that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.